your biggest cross to bear when it comes to supersizing and growing your business? Love this cross. I'm not a big cross fan for personal reasons, but that's just me. But what is your biggest challenge, your biggest burden, your biggest cross to bear when it comes to building and growing and supersizing your business? We're going to share that today so we can learn from one another, and I'll, of course, share mine. Today, this idiom, of course, comes from the Bible and the stories of Jesus having to carry his own cross, the big, heavy cross, to his own crucifixion, right? You know, not only are we going to kill you, but we're going to make you carry the instrument through which we're going to kill you. Yeah, pretty harsh. Anyway, this is take 2 of this video today, which frustrates me a little bit, but sometimes technology doesn't work. Today, it means that, what does this mean? What does it mean? Where does it come from? We know it comes from the stories of Jesus in the Bible, so it's been around for centuries, and that means it means a lot of different things to different people, right? Most people, when you say, oh, it's my cross to bear, they know that you're saying, hey, it's my responsibility to solve this problem, take on this burden, figure this out. Now, when we become business owners and decide that we're going to grow and build a business, we take on 100% responsibility for everything. And that means the choices that we make, the decisions that we and everyone else in our organization makes are ultimately on us. We know or should have known, you know, think of the whole Me Too thing. You should have known it was going on in your organization. And if you didn't, you're still liable and responsible a lot of times with contracts and laws and et cetera. And I think it's a matter of perspective. Do you think that being responsible for everything in your business is a burden? If you think it's a burden, then it's your cross to bear. That's how I define it in myself. If you think it's a privilege, because along with the ability to make the choices and decisions and the freedoms that you have, you get to, and that's how I like to look at it. Hey, I get to be responsible for all this. I get to create the business and the life that I want for myself and those I love and care about. And so along with that comes, hey, I got to take care of and pay taxes. I've got to do accounting. I've got to hire somebody and make sure it's done properly for my businesses and for other areas and aspects of my life. So is it a cross to bear, a burden to you, or is it, you know, something, hardship that you have to take on, or is it, you know, something you get to do? That's how I like to distinguish between the two things. Share in the comments below your biggest cross to bear so far, because chances are other stuff's going to come up while you're continuing to grow and build and supersize your business. Share those in the comments below so we can learn from one another. Have an awesome day, and I'll, of course, be with you tomorrow.